Welcome back to Kawasaki Bike, your trusted channel for all things automotive. Today, we dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Mahindra XUV700, a vehicle that continues to push boundaries in style, performance, and technology. Let's explore what makes this SUV stand out in the crowded segment. Design and styling. The 2025 Mahindra XUV700 commands attention with its sharp, aerodynamic lines and bold front fascia. A redesigned grille, sleek LED headlamps, and aggressive stance give it a powerful road presence. The muscular wheel arches and refined rear profile complete the look, making it one of the most modern-looking SUVs in its class. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the XUV700 offers both petrol and diesel options, now refined for better throttle response and reduced emissions. The 2.0L turbo petrol and 2.2L diesel engines deliver punchy performance with smooth acceleration. The automatic and manual gearbox choices ensure driving flexibility across urban streets and open highways. Features and technology. Mahindra has gone all in on tech with the 2025 XUV700. It now includes an upgraded Adreno X system, twin HD screens for infotainment and instrument cluster, and advanced voice controls. Alexa integration and wireless updates keep it future-ready. The SUV also brings in Level 2 ADAS for semi-autonomous driving convenience. Comfort and ergonomics. Step inside and the spacious cabin greets you with premium leather upholstery and soft-touch materials. The ergonomic seat design ensures fatigue-free long drives, while the ambient lighting and panoramic sunroof add a luxurious touch. With 3-row seating and ample legroom, every passenger rides in comfort. Suspension and handling. The XUV700 maintains its composed ride thanks to a finely tuned suspension setup. Whether navigating potholes or cruising highways, the independent suspension system absorbs bumps effectively. The steering offers good feedback, and the overall handling feels planted and confident. Braking and safety. Safety takes center stage in the 2025 model. With disc brakes on all wheels, ABS with EBD, and electronic stability control, braking feels secure even at high speeds. ADAS brings features like lane keep assist, emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, making it one of the safest SUVs in the market. Fuel efficiency. Efficiency has seen a slight improvement this year. The petrol variant delivers around 13 to 14 km/L, while the diesel can stretch up to 17 km per litre in real-world conditions. The intelligent drive modes also help optimize fuel usage based on terrain and driving style. Conclusion. The 2025 Mahindra XUV700 blends muscular design, cutting-edge tech, and real-world performance in a package that's hard to ignore. Whether you're looking for a family SUV or a feature-packed daily driver, this SUV checks all the boxes. Stay tuned to Kawasaki Bike for more such updates and reviews.